Good afternoon, Buckhorn Creek families. I'm excited to be joining you today from our 4th and 5th grades commons area. But really, I just wanted to reach out to you to thank you for the amazing opening week we've had. I couldn't be prouder of our students as they've entered the school and are already learning. As for the 4th day of school, it feels like we've been here forever, and they're already settled into their routines, their procedures, and are taking off with their learning. I'd also like to thank you for all your support as we've opened up this year and for making sure that our teachers feel appreciated and for making our community and our climate so warm and welcoming. Thank you for being part of our school. This week has been a very busy week for us. Monday, I'm not certain if you are aware, but our State Superintendent Mark Johnson was here and opened our greeting on Monday morning to meet students. And also yesterday, we were able to host our ribbon cutting ceremony with all the dignitaries from across the county to officially open our school. I've attached the video to this special edition of the Compass, just so you can watch that if you would like to. It's a special moment and really denotes what our school is about. So please take a moment to look at that if you have time. Just to address a few things for a couple of you, because I know there's been some questions. Carpool has been really flowing well in the morning and in the afternoon. We're still trying to work out some of the kinks, but we are getting better. We've cut about 15 minutes off already in just 3 days. So we still have some things to work out, and we're working hard on that. But one thing I want to make sure to address with you is if you have an emergency or something were to arise where you had to pick your child up early after 3:15, you're welcome to utilize the bus entrance, as I know both lanes of the carpool are clogged up. We do have cones currently going across there, but eventually we are going to remove those cones once everyone learns the pattern and the procedure. They're just there right now to help guide us. So if there were an emergency, if an ambulance, if a fire truck, or anyone had to get in, they would actually be coming in the bus entrance and not through the carpool entrance, as that would be the quickest way for us to support us. And it would also be the quickest way for you if you had an emergency and needed to get in. Otherwise, we're going to keep moving forward like we are, and we're learning and working together. A quick note, though, about carpool. The reason for the double lane is if we did the single lane, we would back out on Honeycutt Road, and there's not really a shoulder for anything for anyone to pull off in. So it's important for us, for safety of everybody, to get people in. So that is why we have to double up in that lane. So I appreciate your understanding, appreciate your concern. Please feel free to email me, reach out to us. If you have any questions or need anything, we are here to support you and your families as we make sure that we're building the best school, the safest school for students. Thank you, and have a great day.